Many brokers give forex trading services to their customers, but which one is the best for you? Let's find it. Hi, this is Majid Rahimi, and in this video we're going to talk about choosing broker. As you know, many traders have some problems choosing the right broker after they find out how to make profit in this market. You can randomly choose one of the brokers and start trading and make some money depending on your trading strategy. But if you do this, you may give a good amount of your profit to your broker if the account is not suitable for your strategy. In this video, we're going to choose our favorite broker in 7 steps. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe in this channel, click on subscribe button and the notification bell under this video to get notified when I upload new videos. I have divided this video into several parts, and if you think you know some of the information, you can skip that part. Let's start with definition of a broker. A broker is a person or a firm who arranges transactions between a buyer and a seller for a commission when the deal is executed. But what does that mean? Let's look at it in a simple way. Any individual trader needs some platform and framework to place his orders in the forex market. Brokers are the bridge between you and the forex world. These brokers are connected to banks, and banks exchange money with each other. Of course, other combinations can be considered. For example, some brokers are market makers and they do not connect you to anywhere else. We will talk about this in next videos, but for now, as a retail trader, most of us need to connect to a broker to trade online. Now let's see how we can choose a favorable broker for our purposes in 7 simple steps. First, let's start with different trading fees. If you are a long-term trader, swap would be very important to you and it will affect the outcome of your trades. Swap simply is the fee that you and your broker agree to deal because of interest rate between the currencies of a pair. Most of the times it's you that pay this fee, and in some cases broker gives you some swap when you trade in currencies with major difference in interest rates. This number is different from broker to broker and pair to pair. You should know which strategy you are gonna use, long term or short term. You should know which pair you are gonna trade. Some brokers have swap-free accounts. Depending on your strategy and pairs you're gonna trade, it can be better for you in some cases. On the other hand, we have spread and commission. Spread is the difference between the price you can buy a pair and the price you can sell it at the same time. You can see the spread of any pair in MetaTrader, which is the difference between ask and bid price. Commission is a fixed price which is gonna be charged anytime you can open a position depending on the volume you trade and of course the pair you're trading on it. These fees are different from broker to broker and from account to account in the same broker. When you have a short-term strategy, spread and commission would be more important to you because you have to open and close positions in short time, and any time you do this, you have to pay for spread and commission. This is why swap becomes less important in this case, because you don't keep your positions for days and weeks. Slippage refers to difference between expected price of trade and the price at which the trade is executed. For example, when you place a stop order in this price in Euro USD, and you see the position has active in this price, the difference is the slippage. It happens when market is more volatile than usual. Slippage would become more important for a trader in short-term trading. And in most of the cases, it's not visible in trading with demo accounts. Slippage has differences in different brokers, and this is one of the things you should consider. Regulated brokers are registered with the financial regulatory body of their country, and they must comply with the rules set down by that body. This is while unregulated brokers do not have to comply with any rules and can behave in any manner they see fit. As a trader, you may feel safe when you see a broker is regulated, and you can also take some risk to get some options from unregulated brokers which do not have some restricting rules. For most of the beginner retail traders, it's not recommended to use unregulated brokers because sometimes they may have some unusual rules against the trader, and also some of them might be thief and wouldn't get back even your own money. In this part, I want to introduce you a website to compare brokers using what we've said in previous talks, like fees and regulations. Let's see it. Well, as you see, this is my Myfxbook website. We may get back to the site in the future for different purposes. Today we want to see how this website can help us choose our broker. In Brokers submenu, we can see some options. In this video, we're going to see spread and swap options and how we can compare different brokers. First, let's start with spread. We can see lots of brokers in this page. The related spreads for different pairs are visible in front of each broker. These spreads are not considering commissions, and if you want to add commissions to this comparison, you should check this box. And if you want to compare between only regulated brokers, you should select it here. When we choose regulated in the section, unregulated brokers will be eliminated from the list. Now you can compare your favorite pairs in different regulated brokers and see both fees of spread and commission, and the smaller number will show you the less payment in any position, and this is important in short-term trading. But as I said, brokers have different types of accounts, and you should search for your favorite type and platform. For example, this information is for FX Pro C Trader, and it may be different in other accounts of this broker. You should compare these differences inside the website of different brokers. Finally, you can choose a few brokers from this list. The next option for us is swap. And we have swap filters here. We can select brokers with swaps lower than something, higher than something. Like spread page, we have a wide range of brokers with related swaps. You can add any pairs you want to this table in this section. For example, I add silver to this table. You see that we have now XAGUSD and its related swaps. There are also other options for selecting brokers which you may use them in your decision. After choosing several brokers that fit your trading conditions, it's better to see what is in their own website. Read contracts, see the methods of deposit and withdrawal of money, and some other factors that you can see in the website and also the contract. After choosing some favorable brokers, you should watch the charts of different pairs between the selected brokers. In some cases, they may have some differences, and you should watch for the shadows of candles which may affect your trading results. For most of trading strategies, long shadows are harmful, but the final decision is yours. The other problem we have talked about was slippage. The slippage happens in real trading, and in most brokers it's not visible in demo trading accounts. It's better to have some small accounts and trade with it in real time to see the real trading condition before going there with your main capital. Well, this video has come to its end. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with anyone you think that might need it. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.